Alright guys, good morning, and this is day 2. Now, I think I'm gonna do something here, because one of my friends requested me to do this part. Tutorial tidak melakukan apa-apa. Nggak tahu ini ide yang buruk atau enggak yang seorang yang bikin request ini. Yang request bikin tutorial tidak melakukan apa-apa, tapi nggak tahu ini ide yang buruk atau enggak. Kalau ide yang buruk, I think I'm gonna not do that, okay? Well, I'm gonna try it anyway. Okay, if it's not a bad idea, alright, I'm doing it. Well, I hope I'll give it a try anyway, alright? I know it doesn't make sense, but I'm gonna try it. Insist to try it. Someone insists to try it anyway. He insists to try it. Maksudnya dia nggak maksa banget, tapi lihat reaksinya apa yang terjadi kalau nggak apa-apa gitu-gitu aja. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so the tutorial is like this. You just sit here until a couple of minutes, I guess. Yeah, sitting here and then hold. Don't do anything. Just wait about, I don't know, 5 minutes or something like that. Yeah, just sit down for a while.
Many minutes later. Much later.
Sitting down a while and do nothing, that's it. Oh well.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Alright then. Or 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes or so. I felt that. I think it's already more than 5 minutes, I guess. Alright then. Now what I'm going to do next, I don't know. The thing I'm gonna do is do a video game stuff, but not end up a video of a vlog just yet. So yeah.